G'day guys, so got this challenge lock here by FunKey MonKey. It's the number 4. It was sent in that package from Don's Locks. That's the bitting for the key. So you got some low cuts at the front, followed by a higher, then another low, 2 highs. It is a lockwood. I'll just put it into the vise. So just put it in here. It's all sitting there ready to go. It works smooth as anything. I mean, that's really nice. No catching, nothing. So let's see if I can't pick this one. Zoom in. I'm going to use top of the keyway. And my standard hook, and I want to use light tension, pick all the way to the back, no tension. I'm going to go counterclockwise I think today, something different. So super light tension and work my way forwards, feeling for a binder. Got a click out of 3. Pin 1 was seizing but nothing. Can't get a click or anything out of pin 1. So I've got a feeling maybe pin 1 is a zero lift pin. Don't have to lift it. Alright, nice good click out of 4 and turn on the core. And pin 5 is seized again. I'm trying to get under it so you can hear me clicking around it. Feels like a counter on 2. I don't know if you can see that. Got a click, but no turn on the core. I've just lost my fault set. I think I've dropped somebody. Feels like pin 4. Guess I'm stuck. There we go. Alright, that's pin 2. Got a bit of counter and then a set. Pin 1 still seized. I mean, put that much tension, I'm about to snap my pick under it, but hit a speed bump, which I think is pin 5. Just touched him, got a deep false set. So who we left? Pin 1 is still completely seized up. Now I'm going to start feeling for counter rotation. Just got to move this tripod a little bit. just touched pin 5 and a bit more of a turn on the core, but no counter, nothing. There's a little play. Now it's stopped. It's kind of weird because I'm not getting any feedback from any of these. Just going to push that tension wrench out just a little bit, use my pick. Right, hit a speed bump again. I'm completely stuck. I've got no counter rotation. Whoop. What's going on? I'm completely lost. Right, see if I can just rake something a little loose. Maybe I overset somebody. The only thing I can think of. I'm completely lost for words. I've got no counter rotation, no feedback. Oop. You can see how light the tension is. I mean, nearly dropped the tension wrench. I don't know how many times. Just don't know what's going on, but I can't feel anything. Right. Let me try a little bit firmer tension, see if I can cause some kind of feedback. Oop. Drop the tension wrench again. nearly lost everything then. And talk about super light tension, I'm still not getting any feedback. There we go. I thought so. It was pin 4. I really pushed up on him. I finally got an open. 10 minutes. I was nearly about to call it quits. Got an open, so I'll take it. And I reckon pin 1, unless I just touched him when I put the pick in, I reckon he's a 0 lift pin. But still, an open is an open. So I'm going to take it. Alright, move the vice out the way. Move this camera down a bit. So definitely an open. So go ahead and lock him back up. Take this tail piece off. First of all, just set this here. Bring the beast down. Alright, of course not. There we go. Turn it to there. Think that should work. Before I do that, I'll just grab follower. I think that one should work. Yep. I'm just going to shim this only because those fault sets, I reckon there may just be a T-pin also in there. Bridge that gap. That should work, hopefully. Alright. So far, I don't see anything funny. Oh, don't want to lose that. So it looks like it's been filed down or worn down just on the end here. But take the key out. Okay, so pin 1 wasn't a 0 lift pin. It did need to be picked, so there is a small gap just in there. But yeah, let's have a look at these pins. Pin 1 is standard. I'm going to try and do this a bit quick so the video don't last forever. Number 2 is spooled, almost like a torpedo. 3 is standard. 4 we have spool with serration as well. And like last, number 5 is another standard. Sort of slightly narrowed at the top, but not much. In the core, we have absolutely no modifications, no undercuts, no threading, nothing. Set that there. And upstairs, let's go ahead and Try and take this shim out. Or maybe not. Oh well. I'll try and slide it back. Or I'll just turn it like that. That should work. Alright. Chamber 1. See that? We've got a spool. And little brass spring. Chamber 2. A very deep spool. These are all homemade by the looks of them. So that one come out like that. Very deep spool on pin 2. Driver pin 2. Number 3. Oh, good thing I shimmed this. We have looks like a key pin that's been turned in, sent that way. It's actually a pin in pin. So we have a serrated collar with looks like a steel key pin that's been filed down to make the T-pin sort of bit that come in that way. I thought it takes spring out of 2. 2 has the same spring as 1. Number 3. 3 has a little steel spring there. Okay. Can I take the shim out yet? Yes. Alright. Chamber 4. Another, I was almost going to say spool, but it's a serrated pin. Chamber 4 spring, same as chambers 1 and 2. And we'll turn this around and go to the back. Lucky last. We have what looks like a commercial spool. And dear little spring that don't want to come out. There we go. Steel spring. Actually, no, it's steel. I thought it was a double spring. Alright, well, 18 minutes, jeez. Alright, better make this quick. So, we've got standard for the key pins, chamber 1 standard, spooled at the top there in 2, standard in 3, spool, serrate, spool with a serration at the top in 4, and standard in 5. Then upstairs, 1, we have a spool. 2, we've got a very deep homemade spool. 3 is a 2-piece pin. You have the collar, which has got serrations, and then the T-pin bit up the top there that sat down through there and acted like a T-pin as well. Chamber 4, we have a serrated, homemade serrated pin, and it looks like a commercial spool in 5. Springs, we have a brass or copper springs there. Steel spring, same as these two here in 4, and another steel spring in 5. So there you go. That is the FunKey MonKey number 4 challenge lock. So awesome stuff. So quickly wrap this up. If I can get my tripod to sit up again. Oh, come on. What's going on with this today? Jeez. Ah. Right, so, as always follow the codes. Keep locksport legal. You know, don't do anything stupid. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate all my subscribers and thank you everyone that's subscribed. And I've just had a complete mental blank right at the last second. If you want to get in contact with me, you can email darkartslockpicking@gmail.com or through our Facebook page. We're on there, or Discord. So anyway, until next time, cheers guys.